start your presentation. Start from the first question. Please explain me what the question says.
Oh, okay. If f of x equals 2, for this question,
Okay.
sir,
So how you will solve this?
I substituted the value of f2 for this one. You will solve it by substituting x.
Okay. Can you
19.
show me your work? Please
Show
show
me
me your work,
what?
please. Yes.
So, so you get 6 with this.
No. First you have to apply Hamza's rule. So first it would be 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 9.
You get 18 and then plus 1. You just get 19.
Okay.
That's how I
So
got my
19.
answer.
All right. Please highlight it and move to the next one.
Alright, so the next question. A high school sponsored a badminton tournament. After each round, one half of the players were eliminated. If there were 64 players at the start of the tournament, which equation models the number of players after 3 rounds? Left after 3 rounds. So for this equation, I had to choose which equation modeled the thing, and the one that caught my eye was number 2,
Number 2. How?
since if you do half of the players, you get 0.5,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the initial amount of the players.
64 is the starting amount. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
I think this model.
So the question says they are eliminated, right? Not the
Yep.
number of players will increase. So if they will be eliminated, so do you not think that it will come with the subtraction sign
Subtraction.
when you will adding 0.5 in one?
Yep.
That means you are getting an exponential curve which is increasing, right? But do you
Yep.
not think that it needs to be a decreasing curve, a decreasing exponential function? How it will come? It will come when you will subtract 0.5 from 1. So option 1 is correct.
I had a little issue with that one. I didn't know which one to
Okay.
pick.
Okay, now is it clear?
Yep.
Okay, move to select this one and move to the next one.
Given 7x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 58, which number is not in the solution set? So for number 3, what I did was that I solved the equation. So I'll just solve it here to show you. So I did,
Solve the equation.
yeah, 58. So this and this, you get 0. So all you're left with, and you just get over here, you get 56. But then all you're left with is just 7x greater than or equal to 56. And then I divided by 7. And then I got 8. So what it means is that the solution set includes all numbers greater than or equal to 8. So the answer I got was number 1.
Can you please scroll down, move to the question?
Hmm?
Move to the question,
Oh, this one.
the previous one that you answered.
This one?
I think you are sharing your screen, but I can't see where are
Oh,
you
you're talking.
writing. Which one? Just see.
Hmm. Should I reshare my screen?
No, no, there is no need. Okay, I joined that point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, what you think? Which one is the correct answer for question number three?
Number 3, number 1 is the best choice.
So it is 7x plus 2 that is greater or equals to 58. You
Yep.
subtracted 2 from both sides, so you
Yep.
got 7x greater or equals to 56,
Yes.
right? So that means x greater or equals to 56 by 7. That
Yep.
means x greater or equals to 8
8.
will be your solution. So which is not solution, so you okay, right, exactly. Please move to the next one.
Alright, so question number 4. Which table could represent a function? So for this one, number 1 is not a function because 2 is one input and it has 2 different outputs, so this is not a function.
For which
And
input you have two different outputs?
2, for number 2, we have 2 different outputs. So this is not a function. And for
Okay,
number 2, we also have this one has exactly each input has one output. Since 2 has 4, 3 has 6, 4 has 2. This one, I think, is the answer. But for number 3, it's the same problem as number 1. 2 has exactly 2 different outputs, so this is not a function. And for question number 4, this is not a function either because each input has 2 different outputs. So the best choice for me is number 2.
okay, exactly. Next,
Alright, number 5. Which value of x makes x minus 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 equals 17 over 12 true? So I solved this equation first.
yeah, you have to show me your work. I'm not going to believe that you solved it and whatever you got. You have to show me.
Yes. Need more space. Okay. So what I did was plus 12. So I multiplied 2 over 3 with 12 2. And then I multiplied basically. But
So you multiplied the whole equation with 12, right?
yep.
Okay, but you didn't wrote it with this number, this part. So it is also being multiplied with 12, right?
Yep.
Because you are multiplying the whole equation. Okay, simplify it further.
So then I get 3 of x minus 3 plus 4 times 2 equal to 17. And then we distribute, and then we get 3x minus 9 plus 8 equals 17. So then we get minus these two, and we get 3x minus 1 equals 17. And we get 3x, we divide by 18, then we get x equals 6. So the value of x that makes it true is number 2.
Okay, excellent. Next,
Okay, so it's a little
let me
blurry.
let me erase this so that we can see.
So for question number 6, which expression is equivalent to 18x squared minus 50? So for this, first I solved the equation again. So I do 2 9x squared minus 24. Wait, then the final equation that I got was this 2 9x squared minus 25
Okay, then.
equals 2. So basically, I uh, I factorized this and I
Mhm.
got 3x minus 5 and then 3x plus 5.
Okay, excellent. Then which option was the right answer?
And which of the option was number 3, which is C.
Okay, excellent. Question
Okay.
number 7.
C, so the functions f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 9 and g of x equals f of x plus k are graphed below. Okay. Which value of k would result in the graph of g of x? So I solve this
Mm-hmm.
by looking at the vertex
Mm-hmm.
and the choice that I got was 4.
What choice you got?
4. Negative 2.
Negative 2. How? Please explain.
I looked at the vertex of f of x and g of x,
Mm-hmm.
and they both seem to lie on negative 2, even though this is part. Oh, wait, what?
Mm-hmm. Can I literally, you got it right, but let me just give you more explanation. Look here, you're defined with f of x,
Yep.
okay, and this is of x. Then they define g of x by f of x plus k. That means a g is translated vertically, okay?
Oh,
It is translated
vertically. Oh, that makes more sense now.
vertically, okay, by k units. Now you can see that this is the graph of f of x and this is g of x, so it was translated downward by
Downward.
2 units. So we take that negative, okay?
Yep.
Okay, excellent, good work.
Thank
Next
you.
question number 8.
Alright. Question number 8. The shaded boxes in the figures below represent a sequence. If figure 1 represents the first term and this pattern continues, how many shaded blocks will be in figure 35? So, how I solved this question was I used the arithmetic sequence.
Okay.
So, I did this. If n equals 5 plus n minus 1 times 4.
How you got that? What is 5?
5,
Hmm.
it's what's it called?
The first term?
A pattern.
No, no. What is the general formula for arithmetic sequence? It is an is equals to a1 plus
plus
n minus 1 times d.
times d.
What is d? D is the common difference and a1 is the first term. Okay. So the question was the shaded boxes in the figure below represent a sequence. Figure 1 represent the first term and we are looking for the shaded boxes. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So A1 is 12
Yeah.
and look at the common difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? And this is 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So common difference D is 4. Okay.
Oh, what?
So it will become, you did it wrong. It will become
Oh,
an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let's just substitute the value.
I think what I did wrong was I
Yeah.
counted the entire box.
It doesn't also have the 5 now. It is given that you are given with the shaded boxes. So it is 12. What you did, you just counted the in
Shaded
one.
box.
No,
And
no,
then,
not. You just counted the how much in a column
oh, yeah, yeah.
or in a row. Okay, so it is n minus 1 times of 4. So now you have to calculate for n 35. So just substitute n with 35. So 35 minus 1 will become 34 times 4. So it will become 12 plus what is 4 times 34. It is 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 times 3 is 12. 136 plus 12 is 148.
48.
So this answer is the correct.
Oh,
Okay, now let's move to the next one.
alright. So, for question number 9, the zeros of the function f of x equals x cubed minus x squared are. So, for this question, what I did was I solved this. X minus 9 equals 0. But then x and x minus 9, then x equals 9. So the zeros of the function are 0 and 9.
Okay, so which answer is the right answer?
Number 2.
Okay, excellent. Next.
A middle school conducted a survey of students to determine if they spend more of their time playing games or watching videos on their tablets. The results are shown in the table below. Okay. Of the students who spent more time playing games on their tablets, approximately what percent were boys? So
Okay.
I solved this by first getting the total of all of these values.
Hmm.
But I got the total of only the boys first,
Okay.
which was. Wait, no, I explained it wrong. What I meant was the total students was 192,
Those
and
who
the
are
boys
playing games.
and the boys were 138. So I divided, and then I multiplied by 100. So what I got was the decimal 72.8, and then it just kept going on percent. This was close to 72%. So the answer I got was 3.
Um, just can you please read this part again? I need more explanation on this. Why divided it with 192? Why not with 380?
I didn't divide it with 380 because then that's the total of watching videos and playing games. It only asks for playing games on their tablets only.
Can you read the question part again? Of the students who spend more time playing games.
On their tablets.
Okay, so they are just asking for the students who are playing the games, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Next.
Alright. For number 11, which statement best describes the solutions of a two-variable equation? Okay. So the answer I got was A, since the order pairs must lie on the graph equation.
Uh, which statement best describes the solution of two variable equation? The order pair must lie near the graph equation. The order pair must have x is equals to 0. Okay, exactly. Okay, it's good. Next.
Okay, so number 12. The expression x squared minus 10x plus 24 is equivalent to. So how I solve this minus 10x 24. So first thing I do. 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Did I do something wrong? Okay. So okay. So the answer I got for this was x minus 6 and x minus 4.
How you did that?
I think I did it wrong.
No, no. My question is not is it right or wrong. My question is how you did that. Did you solve it by calculator?
No.
Then how you guess the answer? Can you please explain?
I solved it wrong basically. The
No, no.
actual answer I got was this actually, number 3. It wasn't this.
Wait a second. Wait a second. The question is not that. That is the factors are correct or not. The question is how you solved it. What by which method you get the answer. There must be some logic behind that. No? My question is about that logic. If you look,
Oh, oh, oh.
you just have to break the middle term. The question is right. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
We break it with -6 and -4. And x minus 6 minus 4 into x minus uh, 6 again. Okay, so x minus 6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Alright. Question number 13. Which statement is true about the functions f of x and g of x given below? Okay. Number- So the answer I got for this was number 3.
Number 3, how you got that?
They both have the same ordered pairs,
No, no,
but not the
how you got the answer? Did you solve this one by factorization? There must be a reason for the
I
answer.
used calculator.
You used calculator, and what roots you got for this one?
For this,
Hmm.
I got 2.
Which two roots were?
2 and 2.
2 and 2?
Yeah. Because
Let
you
me
factorize, you get 2, right?
wait, let me check it. I didn't memorize the roots. Okay, so x minus x square, let's break the middle term. We have to get positive 4, so we can break it as negative 2x and negative 2x minus 4. So it will become, if I take negative x outside, okay, so it
Wait,
will
sir, I
become
have a question.
x plus 2, and if I take negative 2 outside, I will get x plus 2. Give me just 1 second. So we will
Okay.
get x plus 2 and negative x plus 2. Negative x, negative 2. And when we will put them equals to 0, we will get negative x negative 4 equals to 0. So from this we will get x is equals to negative 2, and from this just take negative x to the other side, you will get negative x is equals to x. Negative 2 is equals to x.
Okay.
So for both of them you are getting the same roots. It's negative 2, not 2.
Oh.
So how can you say that they have same roots? For this one the roots are negative 2 and positive 2.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at the first option. Let's see. Now what are the other options? And
The
they said
minimum value.
they have same y-intercept.
That's what I got confused a little bit.
Let's see. First of all, let's find out what is the maximum for this one.
Is it
It would
4
it is negative.
or negative?
It's negative 4 for this one. The
Oh.
y-intercept is negative 4, and 1, 2, 3, negative 4. So they both have same y-intercept.
Oh.
So
Oh. Didn't realize that.
scroll down to the next question.
Okay. Question number 14. The equation v of t equals 12,000 times 0.5t represents the value of a motorcycle after t years after it was purchased. Which statement is true? So, the answer I got was B. It's true. The motorcycle cost was 12,000 when purchased, which is the initial value.
Okay, exactly. Next,
Okay.
uh, present the value of motorcycle.
Solutions to x plus 4 squared minus 2 equals 7r. Mm, I got for this one, I was stuck between 2 and 3.
Let's see. Let me solve this if you are stuck. Simple, very easy. You have to take this negative 2 to the other side of the equation. You will get x plus 4 equals to 9. Take the square root. You will get positive and negative values. So x plus 4 is equals to positive or negative 3. So from that point, you will get x plus 4 equals to 3 and x plus 4 equals to -3. Subtract 4 from both sides, you will get 3 minus 4, which is -1, and x is equals to -3 and -4. That will give you -7. So option 3 is the correct. Is there any confusion?
It was 3. Which expression is not equivalent to -4x³ plus x squared minus x plus 8? For this one, I got minus. I got number 2.
Okay, so which one is not equivalent? How you got that? When you take x outside from the first two terms, okay, so it
I
will
solved.
become
I solved.
negative 4x squared. How it turned negative, right? So there was a problem, right? This
Yeah.
positive x squared will turn into negative x squared. Okay, good. Good analysis. Next
Okay.
question, number 17.
Which situation can modelize a linear equation? Okay. So number 17. For this one, I got 4. I got number 4.
How you got that? Which situation could be modeled as a linear equation? The amount of caffeine in a person's body decreased by 1 over 2, okay, 2 liters of water evaporated from every day, the number of which inhalate doubles, the value of power decreased. Okay, good. Next.
Number 18. The range of a function f of x equals x plus 3 absolute minus 5 is.
Mhm.
So I got. I got. I got number 1. A.
You got number 1A. Okay, good. Next.
Okay. 19. A laboratory technician used the function t of m equals 2 times 3, 2m plus 1 to model her research. Consider the following expressions. The function t of m is equivalent to. So for this one, I got D. For 2 and 3 only.
How you got that?
I solved both this one, and they had the same solution as.
Um, okay. How? Look here. Number 1. It is 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2n plus 1. Okay. So what does that mean? You know,
6 and
if
then.
it is, if, let me tell you the rule. If it is a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of m,
N.
that can be written as m plus n, right? So it is in plus, so we can write it in with different bases. So it can be written as 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2m dot 3 raised to the power of 1. Clear?
Yeah.
Then 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3, and 3 times of 2 will become 6. So 3 raised to the power of 2. So option 1 is true. Okay. And how you can get 6 raised to the power of 2? I haven't any idea. I think you got confused with this one. 6. 3 raised to the power of 2 it is basically. Okay. You
Yeah.
can get 6. It's 3 raised to the power of 2. So which is wrong? Yeah, 1 and 3 are correct. Um, yeah,
One three.
1 and 3 are correct. Okay. For
Uh,
3, you can see from this expression, I can turn into 6 dot 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of m. So it can be turned into m. Okay, so they both
okay.
are. Let's solve this one.
Okay. Which system of equations has the same solution as the system below? Okay, so for this one, I got D.
You got B. You see? Okay, the
I
first
use
equation is
process. Yeah.
same. Then they take two common or what? How they got this equivalent equation for that one? Okay, this is correct. Okay, correct. Please move to question.
Okay. 21. The population of Paramecia P can be modeled using the exponential function P of t equals t times 2t, where t is the number of days since the population was first observed. Which domain is the most appropriate to use to determine the population over the course of the first 2 weeks? So for this one, what I got was number 3.
You got number
Hmm?
3. What was the reason? Why this one? Why you restricted your domain to 2? Why we can't take the value of t to be 3?
3?
We can take the value of t to be 3. So it is t greater than or equals to 0. Okay. We can
Oh,
take t equals to 0 at the same time we can extend it to any number. Sorry. We have to write it for first 2 weeks. So in a week where t is represent number of days. Okay. So
yep.
in 2 weeks there are 14 days. So option 4 is the correct.
Oh, oh.
Okay. We have to end it with that domain. Let's move to question number
All
22.
right, 22. Which representations are correct for this set of x? So, uh, for this one, I had gotten, mm, I got 1 and 2 only. So number 1,
1 and 2.
yep. Since
Okay,
this has
correct.
the exact data
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there.
Okay. Move to the next one.
A recursively defined sequence is shown below. The value of A4 is 23. I got, mm, for this one, I used the calculator and I got C. Wait, no, that's a different question. I got B. -1.
Let me tell you how you solve this. It is an plus 1, so we have to write for a4. So I will substitute n to be 3. Okay.
Okay.
So a4 will become equals to 2 times of
4. 2 times
2
2.
a raised to a3 minus 7. Okay.
Okay.
Now still we are looking for a3. We are given with the value of an, not with the value of a2. So I will reduce it to a3. That would be 2a2 minus 7. Then still we need a2, which would be 2a1 minus 7. Okay. Now let's
Okay.
start substituting the values. If we substitute 5 here, so it will become 5 times 2, 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. So a2 is 3. Let's substitute a2 here. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is negative 1. Let's substitute negative 1 here. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 7 is negative 9. So option 1 is correct. Okay. So
Okay.
for cursives, we have to reach out from the very first point to the next and next and next. Okay. Please solve question number 24.
Okay. 24. Which polynomial has a leading coefficient of 4 and a degree of 3? I got C.
Which polynomial has a leading coefficient of 4 and degree of 3? Its degree needs to be 3. For 3, its degree is 4.
Degree
Okay?
is
4.
the. Oh, oh.
So leading coefficient mean, what does the leading coefficient mean? Leading coefficient mean the coefficient of the degree term, okay, with the highest degree term. So it is option 4 is correct because it has 4 here and its degree is 3. Clear?
Wait, isn't 4 supposed to be in the front of sometimes?
No, it is not in. It is not written in the standard form. If I write it in the standard form, it will be like this.
Oh.
So now you can see its degree is 3 and the leading coefficient is 4.
Oh, okay.
Scroll down to short
Wait,
questions.
now it's short questions.
Yes.
Okay, 25. So, now I have to pull out the graph. Mm,
जी
graph
वालेकुम सलाम
FLN.
सर मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सर एम फिल कंप्लीट हो चुका है पीएचडी का भी जो है वो फर्स्ट ईयर हो चुका है अभी कंप्रीहेंसिव हो रही है और मेरे ख्याल में मैं देखता हूँ अगर मेरे पास आपका नंबर होगा मैं आपको भी टेक्स्ट कर दूँगा
So, how I solve this question was that. So, I graphed first figure 1 from this. Um,
it's very easy you just need to know what is the graph of the square root of x then you have to cause of the negative it will be reflected over the y-axis and then you have to drag or move it 1 unit up here you can take some values of x. Okay, you are
yeah.
taking some values of x, right?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Please proceed.
Mm,
How can you take 3 as your value? You need to take 4.
4.
Because 4 is a perfect square, not 3. So at
Oh.
4, it will become negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. So it will be here. Okay? And you can't take the negative values. So you will get this type of curve.
Oh.
Is it clear?
Yep.
And even though that I told you, you can also solve it by that method. How it will help you? Let me change the curve. This is a square function. So at 0 you will get 0, at 1 you will get 1, and then at 2, no, at 3 and 4 you will get 2. So yeah, you will get this type of curve. This is a
Oh,
curve for x square root x, okay?
okay.
When it is negative, so it will be flipped here. You have to, it will be the x-axis, okay,
Okay.
due to the negative. Then you just have to translate it one unit up. So, okay, by the way, I think you are more comfortable by taking the values. Then you have to translate it one unit up, okay? So
Okay.
let's move to the next one.
So 26. Maria orders t-shirts for her volleyball camp. Adult size t-shirts cost $6.25 each, and youth size t-shirts cost $4.50 each. Maria has $550 to purchase both adult size and youth size t-shirts. If she purchases 45 youth t-shirts, determine algebraically the maximum number of adult size t-shirts she can purchase. So, first, I figured out the equation. So, like this. And then less than or equal to 7.
What about this equation?
I got this equation.
Inequality.
I got the inequality by just reading the maximum number of adult size t-shirts you can purchase.
Okay,
And maximum means
let's
six.
let's end it. Let's do it. Sorry, discuss it.
So,
और सेकंड सर मेरा एमपी हो गया था कंप्लीट इस्लामाबाद से और सर के पास ही जो मेरे सुपरवाइज़र हैं प्रोफेसर अरशद ज़िया साहब उनके पास पोजीशन थी पीएचडी की और यहीं पे मेरा एडजस्ट हो गया था रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट भी चल
mhm.
रहा था उनके पास ही तो मैं उन्हीं के साथ ही इन्वॉल्व हो गया पीएचडी के लिए अभी तो माशाल्लाह से कम्प्रीहेंसिव भी हो चुका है और बाकी इंटरनेशनली अप्लाई करता रहता हूँ अल्लाह खैर करे अल्लाह इस मुल्क से आज़ादी नसीब करे तो जब अल्लाह ने नसीब किया तो इंशाल्लाह फिर बाहर चले जाएंगे आप अहमदाबाद में होते हैं अभी वहीं पे आप ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं
Then we have to change it. So, get it 550 50 minus 50. So, then I get 3. Mhm. and I get answer A. Maria can only purchase full t-shirts. The maximum number of adult size t-shirts she can purchase is 55.
Okay,
That's what I
excellent.
got.
Good. Next.
Okay, 27. Where did I solve that? A news report suggested that an adult should drink a minimum of 4 pints of water per day. Based on this report, determine the minimum amount of water an adult should drink in fluid ounces per day. So, I solved this using the bottom, since it tells me about pints, and I use that. So, what I did was I wrote this equation minus 7, 7, no, greater than, okay,
Zara, what is this?
mhm,
Is it an inequality sign?
yeah,
Let's try to mark it. It is confusing. Here it is here. It is at this one is inequality sign, right?
yeah.
Okay. Let's proceed.
So, the largest integer value of that satisfies, wait, what? The largest integer value of that satisfies A is greater than 3 is 2.
How you
So the
got
largest
A?
A, how I got A,
Yeah, what is A? I'm not getting that. What are you
it's adult.
solving? No, no. Look at this question. A
Okay.
news report suggested that an adult should drink a minimum of 4 pints
4
of water
pints
per day. Okay? Based on this report, determine what minimum amount of water an adult should drink in ounces per week. In ounces
per week.
per week. Okay, now look at this. They tells us that you need to drink 4 pints
48 ounces.
per week, right? Sorry,
Yeah,
per day. In one day, right?
yeah,
Okay, now I am multi. We have to calculate for per week, right?
yeah.
So I multiplied it with 7 days in one week. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now this is how much he will drink in, how much pints he will drink in one week. Then in one pint there are 2 cups. Okay, so
Okay.
2 cups per one pint. Is it clear?
Mm, yeah.
And I have to get my answer in ounces. So in 1 cup there are 8 ounces, right?
Oh.
So that means I have to times it with 8 ounces by 1 cup. So this will be cancelled out, this will be day. So I will get ounces per week, right? So
Yeah.
at the end I will get 4 times 7 is 28, and 28 times 2 is 56. 56 times 8 is
48.
448, and I will get ounces per week. So they have to be, the result has to be 448 ounces. I haven't any idea what you were solving. Next question, please.
Express 3x minus 4 and x plus 10 minus 1 fourth x squared as a trinomial standard form. Okay. So what I did first was times x equals 3x 3 plus 17
It's been negative 1 over 4x squared,
yes.
but you didn't put x squared there. In the question it was x squared.
Oh, so then you combine like terms. And then we get 1/4 would be 4x squared minus 1/4 x squared and then equals 11
Uh,
over
okay, okay.
and then I get this is the answer I get in trinomial form.
Okay, excellent. Excellent. Next.
Alright, so for this question, John was given the equation 4 times 2a plus 3 equals negative 3 times a minus 1 plus 31 minus 11a to solve. Some of the steps and their reasons have already been completed. State a property of numbers for each missing reason. Okay, so first what they did was,
The first is the distributive property. Okay.
yep, and then combine like terms and then is like this.
No, it is adding for TA on both sides. No?
Yeah, we add.
So it is the addition property of equality.
Oh no, this is combining like terms. We did that over there.
Addition property of equality. Okay.
Oh,
Next.
problem 30. State whether the product of 3 root squared and 9 squared is rational or irrational. So first what I did is I solved it and I got
Product. Okay.
this. So the answer I got was that 3 is an irrational number. Multiplying it with a rational number results in an irrational number.
Okay. So you just have to select the irrational number. Okay. Scroll down
Yep.
to the next question.
Okay. Question number 31. Okay. Using the method of completing the square to determine the exact values of x for the equation, I have to solve it. Okay. So, so okay. So that hmm. Did we put 16?
No, no, you have to put that number that you will get by doing that without square, okay? So which is 4.
Oh, that's what I got confused. And then 4, 16 plus 6, we get 10. Then
Okay, that's good. Next.
okay, question number 32. The formula for determining the finite sum S of an arithmetic sequence The numbers is S equal to N over 2 A plus B, when N is the number of terms A is the first term and B is the last term. Express B in terms of A, S, and N. So for this one, what I did was
Okay, it was good. It's good.
okay. This is what I got. So this is a S, not 5.
Okay, you wrote the in terms of DNN. Next one. This is correct.
Question. Oh, that's good. Question number 13. Michelle threw a ball into the air from the top of a building. The height of a ball in feet is modeled by the equation h equals -16 t squared plus 64t plus 60, where t is the elapsed time in seconds. Graph this equation in the cell of action tool. Okay, so hmm, so for this hmm, 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 hmm. The vertex is 2, 124. Now all I have to do is find the y-intercept.
Hmm? What's the y-intercept?
Is it 60?
Yeah, 60 is your y-intercept. To 124 is the maximum point, and then
Yes. Then I'd have to graph it.
yeah, please try.
Okay, let's try. Mm, so like here.
Okay, then how can you predict the next value? That's been very easy. At 4, what will be the value? It will be 60 again, okay? Because about the
Oh,
line of symmetry, they will have the same uh, trend, right?
yep.
So join them, make the graph.
Oh,
No, no, there is no need to go down.
oh,
There is no need to go down. You have to start from 16. Let's reach to this point. Then move back, pass your curve from this point. Okay, by the way, next question. Determine the average rate
of
of
that
change.
change in feet per second from when the shell released the ball to when the ball reaches maximum height.
So please find out the average rate of change.
Do we just oh, do we just minus the vertex?
It would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So at the maximum point you have it is 24, 224, and the starting point is 060. So just apply the rule, take the calculate the average rate of change.
Do I just do 2 minus 4?
No, it would be 124 minus 60. Yeah, over 2 minus 0.
0? And then
Exactly, this is that would be the correct one.
we get 64 over 2.
Mhm.
If we divide that, we get 32.
Yeah, so the average rate of change is 32. Okay, next.
Oh, graph the system of inequalities. Okay, we have to solve this first.
Okay, excellent.
So right here, like this.
Okay, this is correct. You have to make
A line,
a solid line or a dashed line.
solid,
Why?
because it's not greater than or it's not equal to.
No, no, you have to make a dashed line because the inclusion is strict. Okay.
Oh, okay. A little bit weird. Okay. Now 3x plus 4. Okay.
No, first you have to take the test point.
Oh, 0, 0.
Yeah, you can take 0, 0 as your test point. Because-
So 0, 0 is greater than or equal?
0 is less than 2, so it is true, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So we do towards the origin. We graph it towards
Yes.
the origin.
So you have to shade towards the test point.
So like this.
Okay, like this, but you have to shade neatly.
Is that good? Okay. 3x. Now the next equation is plus 4 greater than or equal to 4. Now we solve.
Simplify it further. Solve it, do it completely. Very good. We have to do it quickly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you did good job.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good. I thought I was gonna do bad. Okay, now we graph. Okay.
Yeah, please grab it.
So -1 right here. Then 3 down and 4 right. 3 down, 4 right. So right here. Now we quickly. Will there be a dash line? One?
Why it would be a dash line? It would be a solid line.
Solid? So like this.
take the test point again.
We can take.
Again, you can take 0, 0 because the line is not passing through 0, 0. There is only
Oh,
one condition.
if it passes through, then we can't take it. Okay, so 0 is 0 is greater than or equal to -1. This is true.
It's true, right?
Yep.
So again, you have to shade towards the,
Origin.
yeah,
So this way. This way
okay, change
instead.
the
Oh,
color.
pick a different
Change the
color.
color, not change the color.
Yeah. So like this. Stefan says in point 00, the solution to this system, determine if he is correct and explain your reasoning. He he is correct because no line is passing through 00.
Okay, the line is not passing through. It is in the, so
Solution.
it is the solution point, right?
Yep.
Scroll down to
Oh,
the next question.
okay. The following table represents a sample of sale prices in thousands of dollars and number of new homes available at the price of 2017. Set the linear regression function f of p that estimates the number of new homes available at a specific sale price p. Round all values to the nearest hundred. Okay. So first you have to add all the values. I can just move to the calculator. 40. Now the answer we get divided by 7. We get 227.
Why you divided it by 10? No, no. Why you divided it by 7? Sorry.
Because that's the number of values,
Bit
and
of
we
a
have to do
cheat.
that when we find the mean.
Did you have to find the mean? You have to find the line of regression line, and it
Yeah.
can be easily determined with the help of calculator.
Oh,
Okay, and sorry, I have to start a class.
oh, okay.
Okay, overall it was good. Okay, you
Okay.
have to complete the rest of the questions, and it was good experience. I think you got something.